What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here, as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today, I am doing a Gele tutorial, rose Gele tutorial. Just take a look at. Let's take a look and absorb this Gele. Look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey. Okay, let's go. So you want to grab your Gele and split it into 50-50, and then for this style you half it into two. So you fold it up. So you fold it and then half it to 50-50. As you can see, I was doing that. So you half it and you split 50-50. Right, and as always I say, you just always press your Geles, and then you can see I got my 50-50 and I placed it on my head. I put my hand into a loop and I grabbed it into the loop. If you can see, grabbed it into the loop and just make sure it's as tight as possible. Just use your hand and adjust whatever space and gaps are between, because obviously it's a loop, there's going to be a bit of space, but just get your hand and loop it, right? And then once I've got that, I open up the Geles and I grabbed each end and just spin it round, as you can see. And then once I got to the middle, to the end, I made sure the pleats and the fan look kind of like the spin look the effect was visible. I got myself a pin and I secured my Gele, my rose. I just put a pin there and secure it. You can use more than one pin, you can use as many pins as possible. Just make sure the Gele is secure. This Gele, it don't move, and it don't move because you secured it with a pin. Just look at that. And so as you can see, I just took it and shifted it a little bit to the side, because personally I prefer it to stay on the side, but you can always style it to your desired look. As you can see, this Gele is simple, quick, easy, no hassle free, church, work occasion, obviously special occasion, yeah, just even a party, like just to look different from the regular Gele, you can always tie this Gele. Simple and easy, quick Gele, rose Gele styling. But yeah, I'll leave it to you guys now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. Channel is about makeup, Gele, hair, vlogging, and yeah, just fun video. Keep watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know